Here are some simple steps that might get your heat back on. Start with the thermostat. Many furnace problems aren't the furnace at all. They start with the thermostat. Make sure it's set to heat and bump the temperature up at least 5 degrees higher than the room temperature. If the display is blank, replace the batteries or check your power source. Make sure the furnace has power. Even gas furnaces need electricity to run. Head to your breaker panel and check for a tripped switch. Reset it if needed. And while you're at it, look for a dedicated power switch near the furnace itself. If it's been accidentally turned off, flipping it back could solve the problem. Check that the furnace door is closed. Most furnaces have a built-in safety switch that won't let them run if the access panel is loose or open. Try opening the panel and closing it firmly until you hear a click. That sound means the safety switch is engaged and the furnace is ready to operate again. Don't forget the air filter. A dirty air filter is one of the most common reasons furnaces stop working. If the filter is clogged, airflow gets restricted, the system overheats, and shuts itself down for safety. Take a look at your filter. If it looks dusty or gray, swap it for a fresh one and see if the furnace kicks back on. Look at the pilot light or ignition. This step depends on the age of your furnace. Older furnaces. Check whether the pilot light has gone out. If it has, follow your manufacturer's instructions to relight it safely. Newer models. These usually rely on electronic ignition system. Listen for clicking or look for blinking indicator lights that show whether the ignition is working properly. Watch for error codes. Modern furnaces are smart enough to tell you what's wrong. Many have a small LED light inside the panel that blinks a certain number of times to signal specific problems. Match the blink pattern with the code chart. It's usually printed inside the panel door to narrow down what's happening.